Want to change the language on NFL Sunday Ticket? Here's how to do it. First of all, open the NFL Sunday Ticket app on your device and log into your account. You can also sign in on a website. Now start playing a game or replay. Next, tap on the screen to bring up the player control. Look for settings, gear or audio option icon. From there, select audio and language. You'll see available feeds, for example English or Spanish. Tap the one you prefer and the broadcast will switch instantly. If you're watching through YouTube TV with Sunday Ticket, open the stream, hit the settings icon, then go to audio and subtitle. Pick your desired language from the list. Keep in mind, not all games have multiple languages available, so the options may vary depending on the broadcast. And that's it. You have successfully changed the language on NFL Sunday Ticket. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.